What's going on, YouTube? It's another day coming to you with another video. Say hello, Max. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello. I just got to the night terminal again. Just dropped off my trainee. He went to go wash some clothes. I'm about to go in here and get a lock from my driver manager. So yeah, that's about it. Stay right there, Max. Don't move. What's up, Chad, man? Hey, you have a lock? A trailer lock?
That got you, man.
All right, man. Thanks.
Hey, I asked Chad about money for tomorrow, and he said he's taking care of it.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot. Yo, this don't even feel like it's the right place, bro.
In 800 feet, turn left on Progress Boulevard.
I gotta see if okay. Off duty. At alright, Max, wait, man. Wait. I soon come. Don't lightning, no thunder in my soul, baby. My heart beats for you only. Every word is true. Hey, how you doing? Alright, vlog. So right now we are in Kentucky. We slept in this lot for the night. It's by like a Wendy's, because the truck stop across the street was full last night. All right, come Max. I got my trainee putting some air in the tire. So we connect the air lines, the air hose to the air lines on the tractor, and we put air in the tire. You gotta get that angle right, man. Watch him. Come on, Max, let's go. Come, hey, come. All right, so you got this. You got the outside one.
Yeah, over there. What's the outside? What's the inside?
So you see how it is, and you see how this is.
Yeah.
So you gotta kind of make this like flat in this part to like match with this. You know what I mean? So you just gotta angle it. Use your thumb, and there we go. Signs saying? Yeah. So it's a release. Go slide the tandems.
Yeah. I'm like, why they ain't put up there?
Yeah. Some places be like that, man.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna go pull the pin out, man. Ah, vlog another day with a trainee, eh? It's going good so far. You got one more week with me, and that's it. I need to take that lock off the back. Come on, lock. All right, slide it. All right, lock it in place. Lock it in place. There's a Max. You ready? Oh, watch this. Watch this. Alright guys, so we are in Colorado still. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. You see that? Mountains and all of that. You see me? Just walking Max right now. We're on our way to Las Vegas to drop off a load, so we'll be in Vegas in a few hours. Come, Max. Come, Max. Let's go take a swim. Come, go on. Go on, look for the fish, Max. Go on. Yo, this is mad peaceful, yo. Look how beautiful this is. This is extremely beautiful, yo. Look, even in the background over there, you can see those mountains over there in the back, right? You see those? It's nice.
Have something populated because we usually upload data into this.
They got a trainee doing the pre-trip. We about to roll in a minute, vlog. A mad move. As always.